Welcome to Device Help Support, your ultimate destination for everything related to device setup, troubleshooting, and optimizing your tech experiences. Subscribe to our YouTube channel for more videos related to setup, troubleshooting, and unboxing. And don't forget to press the bell icon so you don't miss our latest videos. Are you guys looking for the best Wi-Fi range extender that gives you the best Wi-Fi coverage range? Then this video is highly made for you. In this video we will do the Comfast CF-WR301S Extender setup in very simple and easy way. The Comfast CF-WR301S is a compact Wi-Fi range extender designed to boost your existing wireless signal and eliminate dead zones. It supports multiple modes like repeater, AP, and router, making it easy to improve coverage in homes or offices. So let's start the video. First of all, insert the Comfast CF-WR301S into a power outlet near your main Wi-Fi router. Wait for the power LED to turn solid, which means it's ready. On your main Wi-Fi router, find the WPS button. It may be labeled WPS or have a small icon that looks like two arrows forming a circle. Some routers have a software WPS button in their web interface instead of a physical button. Press and hold the WPS button on your router for about 2 to 3 seconds. The WPS LED on your router will start blinking, meaning it's waiting to connect to a device. Within 2 minutes of activating WPS on the router, press and hold the WPS button on the Comfast CF-WR301S for about 2 to 3 seconds. The WPS/signal LED will start flashing, showing it's searching for the router's signal. The extender will automatically detect and connect to your router's Wi-Fi network. When connected successfully, the signal LED will turn solid, green or blue depending on model. The extender will copy your router's Wi-Fi name, SSID, and password. Once paired, unplug the extender and place it midway between your router and the weak signal area. Make sure the signal LED stays solid when placed in its new spot. This means a good connection. Now this setup is complete. I hope this video will prove helpful for you. If you're stuck in middle of the process, then don't worry. Contact our professional experts at 1-323-507-3713. They will solve your problem as soon as possible. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Devices Help and Support. And also stay tuned for the more updates.